Tuffstudds. Heavy equipment, expensive to own, expensive to operate, expensive to maintain. Scooping, loading, crushing, and hauling minerals, rocks, stone, gravel, and sand quickly wears down the machinery. For added protection, many companies apply a wear-resistant surface to their equipment, such as hard facing. Of all the hard facing available, Tuffstudds are the best and easiest to install. Tuffstudds minimize base metal erosion and last up to 3 times longer than conventional hard facing. Tuffstudds are a chromium carbide-laden wear-resistant alloy which can be easily welded onto castings or wear plates, including manganese, with a lightweight stud welding gun. Dragline buckets, crushers, chutes, and dozer blades are just a few of the many pieces of equipment that Tuffstudds can better protect than any other hard facing available. Tuffstudds weld easily. Depending on the surface, a welder can weld up to 5 Tuffstudds a minute, up to 20 pounds per hour. What's more, welding Tuffstudds produces less smoke and less heat into the base material than conventional welding methods. All that is required is a stud welding machine, a stud welding gun, and Tuffstudds. Welding is easy. Put in a stud, compress the gun against the surface, and pull the trigger. That's all there is to it. Now, let's slow down the action to look more closely at what happens. Pulling the trigger starts the pilot arc and lifts the stud. The welding current melts the tip of the stud and the surface you are welding it to. At the preset time, the arc turns off and the gun plunges the stud into the molten pool. Holding it there for 1 or 2 seconds is enough time for the cooling metal to solidify and bonds the stud to the base material into one strong, full fusion weld. A close packed pattern of Tuffstudds traps mineral debris, creating a deadbed layer, allowing material to wear on itself, further enhancing wear resistance. With skill, you can apply Tuffstudds to the most uneven, hard to get at surfaces. Whether you apply them downhand, sidehand, or overhead, Tuffstudds weld quickly and easily, eliminating any need for repositioning heavy equipment and doesn't require any special consumables. Tuffstudds, the tough, long-lasting hard facing, protects equipment better than any other wear protection available. The benefits are reduced downtime, greater productivity, and longer life, with a safe and easy application. This is the reason why so many mining companies have already selected Tuffstudds to protect their equipment. Tuffstudds, the solution to your wear protection problems. To find out more about Tuffstudds, contact your Tuffstud team.